Okay, Harry, if someone has a reverse mortgage and they pass away, how long do the heirs have to sell it before the reverse mortgage company will put it up for sale? Well, Harry, I guess that may vary depending on the mortgage company and how much contact you actually have with them. I would, and I tell anyone this that talks to me about a reverse mortgage, the only way I would take a reverse mortgage is if it had equity and it was something I was going to be turning within 12 months. I think you can probably buy that much time. If it were anything that I thought might last longer than that, a no equity reverse mortgage or very little equity, or it need a ton of repairs, I would probably not risk it, because I'll tell you, reverse mortgage companies are pretty strict. They will send an inspector by at least once, usually twice a year, to verify occupancy. And once they find out, they're going to be looking to do something. So sure, you can talk to them, explain, listen, we're trying to put it on the market. We're trying to get some things done, and probably buy some extra time. But I would say 12 months would be the cap on that. Now, I don't know what their rules are because I've never dealt with a reverse mortgage. I just won't do it. I know enough about it to know that it's not something that's in our buy box. But I would say in general, if you know that you can't exit that thing in 12 months, I wouldn't do it.